Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today, can you believe we're going to turn all of this into this? Yes, that's right. Believe it or not, all of this fits into this nice little handle. That is, as long as you have the Klein Tools 11-in-1 impact rated screwdriver nut driver set. And the specific number on this is 32500HD. And what are you getting? You're getting 11 pieces. Starts off with 1/2-inch nut driver, 3/8 nut driver, 5/16 nut driver, and over here, 1/4-inch nut driver. You also get 2 slotted, 2 Phillips, 2 square Robertson, and 1 Torx 25, all in this kit. And it all fits beautifully. Let's see how this works. We'll assemble those in there. Wrong side, sorry about that. There's a 1-sided and a 2-sided, so you gotta be careful of that. This one is 2-sided on both. And one of these will go into here. Nope, wrong way. See, you gotta think what you're doing first. So let's do this. So one of these is bigger, so it goes by way of the 3/8. This one's a 5/16, goes that way. And either way you go into there. And ta-da, Klein Tools 11-in-1.